In the heart of winter's fury, Emily, a young woman, finds herself trapped in a desolate landscape where the biting cold and relentless snowstorm conspire to erase all signs of life. Emily presses on, her breath forming frosty clouds in the frigid air. Her only lifeline, a dim glow emanating from her tightly clutched phone, barely pierces the curtain of white that surrounds her. A haunting discovery reveals fresh footprints in the snow, leading in the same direction Emily walks. Each step intensifies the sense of being watched, the storm's fury echoing the unease in her heart. Amidst the desolation, a distant light beckons, a small cabin nestled among the snow-laden trees. Relief washes over Emily as she stumbles towards the promise of shelter, but the footprints persist, guiding her to an unknown fate. The cabin's door creaks open, revealing a room dimly lit by a solitary lantern. Emily, driven by desperation, follows a shadow down a narrow hallway. The walls seem to close in around her, heightening the tension in the isolated sanctuary. At the end of the foreboding walls, Emily steps into a small, dimly lit room. A weathered drifter, his hollow eyes and twisted grin, becomes the harbinger of unsettling tales. The room transforms, blurring the line between reality and nightmare. Abruptly, Emily jolts awake in the snow-covered wilderness. Her car, a distant refuge, is a faint glimmer of hope. The storm continues its relentless assault, and as she stumbles towards her car, the echoes of the drifter's tales linger, casting a haunting shadow over the desolation that surrounds her. In the heart of this wintry nightmare, Emily battles not only the elements, but the lingering echoes of a twisted reality that threatens to consume her very soul.